Watch out for the takeout passes because that guy, Vince Friese, will be racing Arenacross. This is from an update today about the team who will be racing all of the World Supercross Championship. They'll mix in about 7 West Coast rounds, and they'll also be racing the whole entire AMA Arenacross Championship. So that means you've got Vince Friese in Arenacross, which is already much more contact, smaller, block passes, brake checking, takeouts, and you've got the king of it. This comes after Kyle Peters announces he's going to be coming back for his 6th championship or racing for his 6th championship, and now you're going to have that guy right there screwing up everything. I mean, this is perfect for him. Let's be honest. The smaller tracks, more contact, takeout passes and just block passes are way more prevalent in arena cross. And if you don't watch arena cross, basically think Supercross shrunk down. So less jumping sections, more 180 turns, a lot more, you to pass in that it is a lot more aggressive. You have to block pass and take lines from people, and it's going to be one of those things that you're going to get the. Let's be honest, Vince Reese, he gets good starts, so he's going to be more than likely out front racing people or close to the front. And watch your tibs and fibs because that's going to be a scary scenario for anybody who's actually trying to go for this championship, or anybody that's just in front of him in general. Let's be honest, but I don't know, man. You guys tell me. Comments below. Do you watch any arena cross? Do you only watch supercross? Do you think he's going to be good at this, or is he just going to be an absolute chaos magnet and taking everyone out left and right? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.